Assalamu alaikum. To start the MUS exam, the first thing we need to do is go to the Madrasa website, exam.madrasa.com. On the website, click on Login, type in your username and password, and click on Sign In. Select the MUS exam. So I've registered for the MUS Book 1 exam, and I can see my center name here. Click on Select and Proceed. In the examination portal, I can see there's some information for me to read. So I know the total number of times I can do the exam is once. I have my exam start and finishing date, and I know my exam is 1 hour, and the passing mark is 51%. There's 50 questions in the exam, and I know I'm doing the MUS Book 1 exam. Now there's also some instructions that the invigilator can read to you or you can read yourself, and information and advice. Now once you've read all this information, click on Start Exam. Now in the examination, on the left side you will have your questions, and on the right side you will have your question map. You can navigate to any question by clicking on the question map, and at the top right hand side you have the 1 hour timer, so it tells you how many minutes are remaining before the examination is finished. And at the bottom you have the navigation buttons, so you can go to the next question by clicking on the green button, or the previous question by clicking on the blue button. When you've answered a question, you can see the color in the question map turns blue. The remaining questions will stay gray, and the question you're on will stay green. Only use the navigation buttons to go to the next question or the previous question. Don't click on the refresh button, the back button, or the previous button. Only use the navigation buttons on your examination panel to go to the next question or the previous question. Now, when you reach the last question, you will see the red button which says Submit and End Exam. Only press this button if you're happy to end the exam. If you still want to go back and check your previous questions, go back to the previous question button and navigate to the question you want to answer again. Now, if I click on Submit and End Exam, I will get a message saying, are you sure you want to submit the exam? If you're happy, click on End Now. Now, if you haven't answered all the questions, you will see this message saying, please answer all questions. I can see question 49 and question 50 is gray. So I will click on the question, answer the question. Now, once you see the question map is all blue, that means you have answered all the questions. If you're happy with all the answers, click on Submit and End Exam. Are you sure you want to submit this exam? And now I can see that I have passed the Book 1 exam. I can see my total marks, total scored marks, my percentage score, and my grade. Also, I can also see how many answers I have got correct and how many wrong answers. Now it does say please disable any pop-up blocking software before clicking the generate certificate button. So if you do have any pop-up blocking software, make sure you've disabled them and click on generate certificate. Now on the certificate I have the date of issue, the certificate number, I can see my name and date of birth, my center name, and I have my online exam which I've done, my marks and my grade.